In addition to logging all the eye tracking data to the EyeLink data file, EyeLink systems also provide real-time access to the eye data via the Ethernet connection between the display PC and host PC. This feature of EyeLink systems enables researchers to create gaze-contingent experiments, which use that eye data to determine what happens next during the experiment. The EyeLink plugin provides mechanisms for accessing and using that real-time eye data in your experiment. One of those mechanisms is the GazeTrigger component, and the EyeLink fixation window fast samples example shows how to use it. This example experiment presents a fixation target at the beginning of each trial, and then uses a GazeTrigger component to make it so that the experiment will automatically proceed when the participant maintains gaze within that region for 500 consecutive milliseconds. Generally speaking, the GazeTrigger works by grabbing the latest eye position data and comparing that position to a region that you specify on the screen. Once the amount of consecutive time in the triggering region meets the minimum duration requirement, the trigger will send an event marking message, log some data about the time the trigger fired, and end the routine. To use the GazeTrigger component, first specify the position and size of the triggering region and the screen unit type for these properties. If you would like the trigger to fire when gaze is within the region, then make sure the within property is checked. If you instead would like the trigger to fire when the gaze is outside of the region, uncheck the within property. Then specify the minimum amount of time that the gaze must consecutively satisfy the position requirement before the trigger fires. Finally, if you would like to see a representation of the triggering region on the host PC during the experiment, check the send draw command to host PC property. That will enable you to see a boundary on the host PC representing the triggering region. You should place the GazeTrigger component and the stimulus component that presents the fixation target to the participant in the same routine. If you want to additionally send event markers to the data file for that routine, put a mark events component below it. This routine can be placed after the routine that starts eye tracker recording and before the routine containing the next experimental events in your trial.